Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to answer the BMAT 2006 Section 2 Question 17. An element has mass number of 40 and an atomic number of 20. But which statements about this element is or are correct? So let's look at each statement in turn. Statement 1. Its atomic nucleus has a relative mass of 20. So we know the mass number is the number of protons plus number of neutrons inside the nucleus. So our mass number is 40. So our relative mass of the nucleus is 40, not 20. The atomic number is 20, and the atomic number simply states the number of protons. So our statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2. It is a noble gas. So to see if it's a noble gas or not, we're going to need to find the electron configuration, and if it's closed shell, then we know it's a noble gas. So we know from the question that it has an atomic number of 20. And the atomic number simply states the number of protons. So we have 20 protons. So to find out the number of electrons, we know that it's also 20 because it's a neutral. Elements are neutral, so it needs to balance the charge. So the number of electrons is 20. So this will give an electron configuration of 2, 8, 8, 2. So we can see that this is not a closed shell, so it's not a noble gas. So statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 3. It would form a negative ion. So let's recall our electron configuration, which we worked out in the previous part. So it's 2, 8, 8, 2. So we can see that to form an ion, it will lose 2 electrons to form a 2 plus ion with a noble gas electron configuration, as when it loses the 2 electrons, it will be a closed shell. So since it forms a positive ion, not a negative ion, this statement is incorrect. Statement 4. It is in group 2 of the periodic table. So let's recall our electron configuration, 2882. The last number indicates what group it's in the periodic table, as it indicates how many electrons it needs to lose or gain. So we know that it loses 2 electrons to form a plus 2 cation. So we know elements that lose 2 electrons to form 2 plus ion are calcium, magnesium, and these are all group 2 elements. So we know our statement here is correct. Statement 5. It is a non-metallic element. So we know it's a group 2 element, and group 2 elements are alkaline earth metals. So magnesium, calcium, they're all metals. So this statement is clearly incorrect. So we know only statement 4 is correct. So our correct answer here will be E.